Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this very crucial, very important civil justice sign off process I'm providing for myself, for I am Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and true civil Supreme Judge. And it is because United States of American nation with fatal negligence created robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty to I, and enforced finance disability to I, and enforced finance debt to I. And you as a nation do not have any birthrights to enforce poverty to me. Okay, so I'm filing this civil justice in front of all nations worldwide, so that one side all nations will know why exactly United States of America is handcuffed mode, at fault and found guilty in all crimes of Vatican. Another side, in front of all nations, I will get the civil justice served, job offer signed off, and healthy national benefits signed off, right? Everything in front of all nations using the ethical standards, humane standards process all over. And then on the other side, the population also will be educated what exactly is the scandal about, right? And the true criminals are absolute monarchs after all, right? So, and civil justice is according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. So we are all in that. I hope we are all on the same page on that end, right? The civil justice is according to the Holy Bible guidelines. So either USA nation should say USA knows what is Holy Bible, or USA nation should say don't know what is Holy Bible. Okay. Either ways, I'm saying, hey, provide me justice now. Provide me all the salaries that USA owes me to pay. Right from process salary, then the salary for I worked on poverty free earth end of the year, right, from spring 2014 up until spring 2019, right, and then for all the other finance aids for all the damages done. Who is USA and who is United Nations States of American nation to create damages to me? I never asked them to create any damages or disability to me, right? I'm a civilian. I just want to live a peaceful life, and who on the earth gave that authority? And that everything traces to Pope Francis and Queen Elizabeth too. So Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis and Islam leaders and absolute monarchs only mandated United States of America to enforce poverty to me. So I want civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines, and let USA pay for all the fire damages done to me. Even if I begged United States of America to create damages to me, United States of American nation do not have any birthrights at the first place, right? So, what this civil justice is all about? You all might be, some of you all might be wondering, what is this all about? This civil justice all about? And some of you all may have guessed, oh, this is it, like that mode. And to those people, I would say, yes, it is what you are all thinking of. And that is all, that says it all, right? That we are all in the same page. How some people think alike, right? It's though on very indifferent mode in all ways. How some of the human brains think alike. It is again a display of how God's processing only. I already educated you all, right? Even the Holy Bible, when it was written by people in different generation eras only. But still they were able to provide the same. There's no difference in each of the people who wrote the Holy Bible. It's one and the same, and it was only in the Morse code, puzzle mode. So the true meaning is the hidden meaning. So only the wisest can understand the hidden meaning. The foolish will go with whatever they could understand, and that's how all the Christian population, they got fooled, literally, right? So okay, so what this civil justice is all about? It's a multitasking one more time, right? I'm displaying all the crime to the United States of American government and why exactly USA operations is broken in pieces, right? And for that also, for that alone, USA should pay me salary. So I'm just asking for whatever that rightful belongs to me. Okay. Now this civil justice is about the Facebook. It's classified as a prostitution nation. Okay. And that comes under the classification of domestic violence, and that comes under the subclassification of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, and battery and types, and assault and types, and false imprisonment, trespass to land and types, and trespass to chattels. Okay, so I guess for people who are really very fanatic love of Facebook, it might be a total shock. But then I already explained to you all, I was the one who made the Facebook to have its own real identity, right? When a civilian's real identity is taken off, is stripped off, means self-esteem is stripped off, that is a total damage that can be done. But that's what Facebook, that's what USA did damages to Facebook after all, without any awareness. Okay, now to very high level on an overview of according to my understanding only, if it is wrong, just disregard it. Okay, it is my understanding the CEO of this Facebook founder was teen, like early teens and young adult only, like 18, 19 years only he started, but only when he was in the college, right? So if you see the patterns, it's all one and the same. Microsoft founder, Apple founder, and Facebook founder, they are all college dropouts. If you see the patterns, track record, they're all college dropouts. Maybe they might have finished their college down the road. I don't know. I don't even want to know about that. That's not my problem. It's their problem. It's their choice, right? It's a freedom of choice. So, but then why I have to say this is the talent is always there. But then how the talent is being used? Is it used in a healthy way or is it used in an unhealthy way? So that's what it matters all, right? So if you're going to see, this Facebook CEO started in a very early age. So he got the worldwide attention in a very young age, like 18, 19. He was not even adult yet. He was just transitioning to be in adult mode, and he was getting lot of attention from the worldwide. If you all see, if you go and look in the memory lane of the interviews he provided in the media and all, you could see how he used to be freaked out with fear mode, like that only he will provide the interview, right? The interview session. See, for me, God gives me that wisdom to, to identify those things. So that is God given talent to me, I would say. But then, okay, so this is not the very first one. The Facebook is not the first one. If you're going to see, when I was say educating, Facebook is very youngest in the list of software public services. I'm not joking, right? Because everybody came up with similar kind of tool, be it Google, even before Google, Microsoft. I think Apple was the one who did not come up with this kind of stuff, I think. That is my understanding. I might be wrong. I don't know, because I'm still in the learning phase of knowing more features about Apple, Google, and Microsoft, because everyday things are changing, right? I'm talking only about whatever my understanding is all about. So then, this Google, they came up with the similar, I would say the same tool, but in a different, with their own brand. And that shut down. Okay, everybody was towards this Facebook thing, and that got shut down. And I don't know whether they have that Google Plus or thing. Even they wanted to start that. I don't know whether it is there or it got shut down, or whether it is still there just because of the fanatic love for people who are with Google products. I don't know. I don't even want to know about that. But then I want to take this Facebook and Twitter, because any media types I will put under this family, under this category. Got it? So if the Facebook is going to fix their errors, and if the Twitter is going to fix their errors, and all the other medias will fix the errors, that's what it means, right? So, so if you're going to look down in the memory lane, like how Amazon was just one ordinary retail store, but then only because of my education it became a it took away all the retail's business, right? Because I was only providing the wisdom education, and that is all. People were just listening quietly to me. We were not, I don't know anybody, they don't know me, nobody knows anybody. It was like more of it was always strangers and working together with all the differences like that. So if you walk down in the memory lane, you all must have heard, at least today the people might even forgotten how Facebook was addressed as, right? People were addressing Facebook in a Q's word only. Okay, it's called as a Facebook, but then people were addressing it as a FQ's word only, right? So that itself says that how people were abusing the media for their own will and pleasures according to their own choices of unhealthy choices accordingly, right? They were using it in a very unhealthy way, and that's an innocence after all. There's an innocence displayed because they were these people when software world, when they are providing a line of business product, they should provide the initial education. Hey, this is what this product is for, do not abuse, like that. But they never provided that kind of an education to the population, and that created havoc, that created a disaster. So once when people are given that kind of a luxury of using this Facebook kind of a tool, you know, and people, they never know what kind of consequences they are going to get into, you know? And sadly people got fallen in trap, the population got fallen in trap, and the Facebook CEO never bothered about that. So that is wrong, right? He only created the line of business product. So that means he should have directed the entire business operations of Facebook to go in a healthy way, but he never provided that. That is wrong. And that shows his innocence, because he's in out of all the software public services, this Facebook and Twitter are the youngest one, like toddler's age. So that displayed the innocence upfront, right? So Facebook thought, okay, why can't we come up with a tool and cool, and everybody liked it because everybody around the world get connected like that. But it was still same. Skype and Google product, everybody was same, but still, because the people were thinking this is a separate tool, they are the god, like that, when people are flocking towards this Facebook thing, they have to shut down the Google, have to shut down their own line of product where they had it, right? So like Amazon, this Facebook became a giant. How? Only because I started to work during that spring 2014 up until spring 2019. It was only because of me Facebook is alive today. Get it? And that is the truth. So it is alive today, and it is it became a giant media too. It's only because of my education. Okay. And that means, I already said, when 100%, my brain functions different always. When my peers were using this media, the filthiest tool, for whatever usage they wanted to use it, God made me to use this tool, the filthiest tool, only to reach out to the population with the wisdom education. And with my wisdom education only, Facebook became evolved. In this past years only, it became evolved to the extent I provided the true identity, meaning people stopped name calling Facebook with the Q's words. Got it? So people address it Facebook. See, when people, how it becomes a very healthy way of conversing or addressing people is addressing by name, right? See, for me, I don't know about my peers. When I like to converse with my peers, you know, it'll be in a comfort zone when I'm addressing them by name rather than like what, sir, or if something like that. But I'm comfortable addressing my peers with by name. Okay, that's just me. I don't know when my peers can hate me for that, but this is just me. Okay, I'm just telling a little bit of me here and there as and when needed. So that means, okay, to go on a very detailed mode, it is a posting after all, like a postman. So I became a postman. I became a mailman. So that means when people are mocking a postman or a mailman, I became a mailman. Got it? So it is just a posting, right? So I was just posting, mailing. So people were thinking, okay, software well started to think, am I a robo? But the population worldwide, they were thinking, oh, is it God? Like that. Oh no, if not God, oh, is it Jesus Christ on the line? Oh my gosh, like that, people started to talk to each other without talking, in silence only, because I provided the education, I will do the education, okay, and you all just listen quietly, because that will provide me to do the task faster than robo mode, and that's how it happened. That's how in a very shortest time frame I finished the task. I completed that poverty free earth end of the year 2030 volunteer project, successful, perfect. And the Facebook team and the Facebook security team and the Facebook FBI team, everybody, we were all in the same page. Okay, so on the behind the scenes. So that means they were aware that okay, this lady is going to provide all the solutions. So wise is this lady is, means everybody started to listen to me. Initially people were skeptical, doubtful. Oh, okay, will can this lady even clean the entire human kingdom and remove the poverty, remove the abuse everywhere? They were so skeptical about that. But then, when I was going on educating with only wisdom after wisdom after wisdom, people started to realize that yes, this lady Vedapriya is God chosen one, because the wisdom is so holy and cleanest love. As a true friend and a true guardian angel, only I was educating. And because of my education, because of my whatever work I was doing alone, Facebook became richest. Got it? How it worked? So then, so that means when USA was shelling out dollars and fundings to Facebook services, the same USA forgot to provide me the salary. So it is a pending salary. USA have to provide me for whatever services I provided from spring of 2014 up until spring of 2019. That much of labor I provided, and I helped all the foolish people to walk on the wisdom ways. And that is how much that is how atheist population worldwide started to shout, "There is God," right? So it was a huge revolution that was going worldwide. And how God made me to use just the simplest tool, even though it's the filthiest tool. God made me to use that tool as a helping tool to reach out to the population. Got it? So that means in order to reach out to the population, God can use any tool. That is a truth. So let's say when people are always thinking, oh, only holy, 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 perfect, perfect, perfect God, so perfect software services with perfect services only can reach out to the population. Like that means God slapped on the faces of 7.9 plus billions of humans and enforced me to use this filthiest tool only to reach out to the population. population, and that itself is a display of God's name to be glorified, right? So, what is Facebook after all? It comes under the entertainment. What is entertainment services? Prostitution services, right? And what is software? Software services are prostitution services. It comes under that family only. Got it? So, that is why God is always God, and God's labor is known only to God. So, if you're seeing, the generation is always different. So, generation between the Facebook population, right, the founder, and Google founders, and Microsoft founders, and Apple founders, and even if you want to take me, we are all, and presidents, right, the readers, President Obama and admin, and President Trump admin, they were all in a different generation groups and generation gaps. So when I'm saying generation gap, the older age will never understand the wisdom, because they are still only in that World War II age era. Meaning they still want to continue that discrimination, slavery, hatred, that mode only. So they are super foolish, the super aged people. And the proof, right, live proof is Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell is one live proof for that. Right? He's still only in the Stone Age era. Right? And he wants to destroy the operations, and he's been doing that forever. So for sure he will resign any moment because of the crime provided, being a GOP leader. Okay, so now that all said, then came the 2016. You all know, right? So the Democrats, they wanted Hillary Clinton to win. Okay, because for two reasons. One, she had been in the politics for a long time, and she had been proving that how tougher she can be, right? And even though her husband, President Bill Clinton, an excellent leader, she proved her toughness without anybody's thing. She just proved her identity. And that's why Democrat population wanted her to win. And beyond that, she was lawyer. And then, because I was working on this project, those teams, the Democrat teams, were thinking, okay, if they are going to come into the leadership process, then they could even make me a Medicaid, Medicare design solution provider. But then that all got scrapped. Why? Because the Republican GOP leader wanted to destroy. That is all it is. Pope Francis provided order, hey, Republic GOP leader, Mitch McConnell, destroy these elections. Do whatever, just destroy these elections. So that is how President Trump even came into the picture. Otherwise, he would have been only enjoying his own entertainment and real estate business. But then it is the Republican who pulled him into the politics, all out of sudden. So that is why there is that innocence part is there. Okay. But I could not find any of the innocence in President Joe Biden. It's just me. It's okay if people are going to hate me for that, but they're just me. Okay. I'm providing unbiased civil justice only. So then what happened? They have to do something, right? That the election should be screwed up and made it as a mockery. So they use this Facebook as a tool. Got it? So it was Queen Elizabeth II created a new startup named as Cambridge Analytica. It was a London-based data analytic company. They wanted to collect all the data from the media of the users, and they want to analyze. That's what they say. But then behind the skin, the scandal is they want to sell those data for the money at the cost of emotions got wasted, impacted. They never bothered about that. These people, these giants, once when the luxury and the dollars are thrown on their face, they start to eat dollars only for breakfast, dollars only for lunch, dollars only for dinner. So everything gets blinded. Their eyes get blinded. So the Cambridge Analytica company, they wanted to sell those data, the user information's data, and make money out of it. So see how cheap and how narrow-minded they are, right? It is almost like getting into their personal affairs, other people's personal affairs, and nobody has birthrights to get into the personal affairs or dig into the personal affairs. But if you're going to see in the patterns of abuse worldwide, always the people wanted to know what other people are doing, right? That is like they are so nosy, they say, the slang for. They just always wanted to know what other people are doing. Are they living happily, or are they living in a shattered mode? Are their emotions are getting destroyed? Or people, there are certain population who really do not like other people to live free. That is the truth, my dear fellow mankind. That is the harshest reality. They have very knack of the skill of acting as if wearing a mask in the name of humanity. They destroy, right? So in the name of humanity they provide the abuse of any kind in the name of humanity. So that's how they use this they abuse these kind of media services to abuse the fellow mankind with or without awareness of whatever the consequences is going to happen. So I stepped in, I educated, hey, just be aware, there's a lot of scandals that is going on. The crime is so skyrocketing. Okay, so just listen to me. Whatever the civilian is entering in the public media, it gets saved in the database, no matter what. Okay, then I educated, see, the government is always mandated to watch the back of the civilians. That is how the PRISM, the data collection, works. Every single day, the data has been collected and thrown on the mouth of Queen Elizabeth II as in the form of a tax revenue. Everything is made and built out of only for tax revenue, my dear fellow mankind. Okay, that is a scandal. That's a crime after all. Okay, so but in this entire scandal, these media type like Facebook and Twitter, they are so young, they do not know that the scandal is created only by Pope Francis and created by only Queen Elizabeth II. All they care about is whether they are getting business, whether they are getting tax revenue, whether they are getting richer, whether their bank account is filled with a lot of money. They don't have to worry about the monthly bills. Right? They are all filthy riches after all. Right? So, this is how the scandal was working. So I just stepped in and I educated the wisdom. Hey, be careful, these data. So then I also went on to extended my help, telling them that, hey, do not fear these media or software world. They are themselves as a prostitutes and they are in their own crimes as a standalone. So don't fear them. It's just be in the media. It is for providing the wrongful media services to the civilians who are paying tax. It is the United States of America. Nation should pay $1 billion medical compensation to each civilian using Facebook, each civilian using Twitter. I'm telling only Twitter and Facebook. There are zillion list of media. Means that many $1 billion USA have to pay. Because these people are providing adverse software services. That is wrong, right? Facebook do not have any birthright to provide adverse software. In fact, I never asked for Facebook. I don't know about my peers, my dear fellow mankind. I lived in an era where there was not all these software, or I was not even, bothered to be on that mode. I only educated that for me, I like to live a peaceful life, no attention like that. So I never even liked to be in the media, but unfortunately I had to be in the media, but it turned out to be that God name alone be glorified, right? Because nobody knew. See, when President Obama had been begged for the help from any civilian can work on poverty-free earth and decode and provide the true criminals. The President Obama admin never knew that I, Vedavirya, will decode a lot more truth, right? And even President Trump, I mean, never knew, but they knew on a very high level. Okay, this Vedapriya is going to get the task done in a excellent way. That's what everybody known to me knows. When the task is given, okay, this task will be done correctly, perfectly, with zero errors, almost zero errors mode, excellent mode only. So nobody thought, that means even Facebook CEO must never had a clue that I will get into that Facebook media and I will be using that Facebook media and I will only create the new identity for Facebook, right? And Amazon never knew that it's going to, Vedapriya, only going to make Amazon richer. Apple, Google, and Microsoft, they never had a clue that Vedapriya, only going to make them richer because of only my wisdom education only. Nothing more or nothing less. Right? And absolutely everybody strangers. I don't know anybody. That is how it should work. Without knowing anybody only, the teamwork functions correctly. Right? I was only providing task after task because I know what task each one will do. Because Facebook has its own talent. Right? Imagine just by having a messenger app alone, he became richest. That is his talent, isn't it? And he is a college dropout. I don't know whether he finished his college. I don't even want to know. That's his choice. Right? But then on the bottom line, imagine just with only messenger app alone, he became richest. Can I see how his talent is? Right? He must have started with the help of his friends, and when people are in a college time, we all know how the college brains work. Right? But then all those people might be happiest in one way that this Facebook CEO became rich. For some of his friends, they might be jealous even. But then all beyond that, the talent I'm talking about. Now tell me, is there any difference between Twitter and Facebook? No. So even among the differences, Twitter is also richest, and that shows his talent. Got it? Both of them may be in a different generation era, same generation era, but still they're having the same product, but in a different brand. That is all. So there are fanatic love for Twitters alone. There are fanatic love for Facebook alone. It's same like how Apple, Google, and like that. Right? So then, okay, I was educating and then I also educated. People, they were worldwide, I'm talking about the ordinary average civilians, right? They will not have any clue what exactly Facebook is all about. So when they are going to log into the Facebook, they're going to see a fancy page and whatever they can do like that. Right? So they thought even abusing fellow mankind is okay. But it's not okay, right? Because it is like thrashing the fellow mankind in the media. So that is just not right, appropriate. If at all people wants to talk out their conflicts of interest, talk in person. Sit with them, talk, even if it's taking minutes. Because once when people are sitting and talking, that solves any type of conflict, any severity type. But sadly, these media, the software world, they misguided the population that only they are the gods, only they can solve it, and they created a crap out of it. It's a garbage after all. So I educated, hey, for fellow mankind, be aware this Facebook is nothing but a messenger app where people say, hi, how are you doing? How is your day going? Like that. When people were conversing using Skype or any of that, Apple Messenger or Google Messenger or Microsoft Messenger, it's the same thing. And Facebook, they got funded by the USA government to create it as a page. So imagine his talent. He must have worked on his way out to have the federal government funded for his services, right? So it's I've only after I educated the people thought I educated them. Imagine the Google Messenger to be a alone standalone product, or the Apple Messenger alone to be. That is what is Facebook. So use it in a responsible way. Clean love. So that means I even guided all the abusive people in the rightful pathway. Right? I have to explain what is a brain to them, because people, okay, I'm not kidding. Some people don't know where their brains are. And even the hearts are. So I have to explain everything from the basic thing. See, God created only one brain. It is for a lifetime. That is all. Live with it, deal with it, die with it. And God created only one heart. And it has feelings, it has emotions, and it has memories. And these are all connected to the brain nerve cells. So brain and heart goes hand in hand. And that is why, because humans cannot create a brain and a heart for a fellow mankind, the best option the civilians can do is just do not bother to hurt fellow mankind in any ways. So this is how I was educated. So that means people understood, oh, brain is in the skull? Like that. Oh, is the heart inside the rib cage? Like that. So that means in one way, I was even educating the anatomy of the human system also in a very user-friendly, very layman way. Right? Like the people in a very fun way, they got educated in the rightful way. They don't even have to go to medical school to understand the brain is only inside the skull. The heart is inside the rib bone, like that. So my education was super excellent in a teaching way, and even the layman civilian were able to understand it. So I educated, this is how people have to live. So when people are either mocking or bullying, it's called cyberbullying, right? Or creating any kind of anxiety or any kind of unhealthy fear for this fellow mankind, or abusing or accusing in front of the, nations. These are all will impact the emotional brains, nerves, and the heart. Just do not do that, and that might result in people to get self-inflicted, and that will increase suicide. With my help alone, all the nations started to provide hotline for suicide helping telephone, because I educated, if only the civilians who are in too much of brain confused mode, right? Because that is how that suicide comes up into the picture. So when I was explaining in detail of how that can happen, how it can be prevented with a healthy help, that is how I think even Facebook and media and public sectors and the private sectors, they all came up with the 800 hotline worldwide to provide prevention for suicide. So imagine, just because they got bullied, just because they got body shame, just because some people can handle those, some take it easy mode, right? Tell me whatever, I don't care, like mode. But then for people to have that brain of that mentality of that state, it is individual case by case basis. We cannot expect all the people to have the brain processing of the same kind. Even the brain development of milestones for age, right, it differs. So that's why even people might look like adult and their brain will be still on the child mode only. So that is why the approximate age to get married is only 18 years, is just a minimum cutoff. They want to come up with some kind of a cutoff, right? It's a minimum cutoff, because 99 percentile of the population will be able to decide on who to get married, who they can live happily ever after at that around that age, between 18, 19, I would say 18 to 25, that range. So that is why they provided that cutoff means. People should not take it for literal, because I would say the children ages anywhere all the way from the newborn all the way from 25 to almost close to 30, I would say, because the brains are only on that developing process after all. They are more in an exploitable mode, vulnerable mode, right? The brain is in very transitioning mode. So when we are giving space for even robots to have its own space, I think government should give that space for the population, right? The younger generation I'm talking about. That population, give them the space. Consider all up until 30 years as a child age only, because their brain are still in a very transition mode and very vulnerable mode only, still keeping on developing mode only. So I would say those ages are only young age, like teenage, like that only, because they are only in that mode. So, but then what this filthy nations provided is, oh, you're teens, you're adult now. See, that is wrong. That is why, wait, watch and see, my dear fellow mankind. Pope Francis himself will start running from Vatican and he'll jump in volcano any moment. What? Watch and see. Because the crime is skyrocketing and President Joe Biden just cannot stay in White House because of the crime of Vatican. If at all you want to be a president, Pope Francis should not be living after all. I already said the crime is so deadliest. So this Facebook, it's one of the victims of abuse. That is all. Facebook, Twitter, or you name any other media that comes under this family, they all are victims of abuse of Pope Francis only. Without any awareness, they got into this kind of a crap. It's a garbage after all. But then, when it's a garbage, imagine how God made me to use that garbage tool only to reach out to the population, and how people listen to me, and how the evolution was provided. Atheism population, from shouting there is never God, transitioning to saying there is God and shouting only there is God, means that's a lot of transition, isn't it? That's a lot of and that was provided by I Am That I Am. So I already said, people were thinking, oh, is there God? Is there a robo? So on the on the religious world side, be it the Christian evangelical side or gospel singing, those people, they were fearing, oh, is Jesus Christ came online? Oh my gosh, what to do now? Like that. Oh, is he just walking pass by everybody? Like that. And it was super fun for my end, because for me, I was just working on only one task. Where is poverty? How poverty? Why that never-ending loop? Poverty. That is all my brain was working on cracking, and I was cracking down all the crimes. That's all. But then, worldwide, it was a revolution was going on. Be it Germany, be it France, be it Italy, be it London, be it China, be it Africa, be it India, be it Iraq. Everywhere, count by count, even you name Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, and Cuba, everywhere, South America, right? Everywhere they were fearing, oh, is there a God? Oh my God, how can it be like that? And software world were thinking, oh no, is there a robo from alien planet to take down all the software world? Oh my gosh, they were fearing that. And all the government leaders, national leaders, and the government, population, they were thinking they're going to lose their job to me. And that is the truth, right? I finished everybody's job. I finished media's job. I finished entertainment's job. Only difference is I cannot act. Like, that is a super talent. That's how they get paid. I already educated that, right? On the other end, I don't know real processing of that, how stock exchange and the bonds work. I know very highest level it is wrong. It is a garbage. It's a scandal. That is all I know. See, for me to nail down on the root cause of the crime, my brain processing process is so different from my peers. That is how I was in a fastest way I was able to crack down all the crime. Okay, so now that said, yes, the Facebook is another victim of abuse of the Pope Francis. And for whatever they provided for scam, right? Cambridge Analytica, it's a scam. And without consent, they are telling we are providing opt-in, opt-out. Oh, that should take care. No, that is they are providing a fake illusion. fooling the people around. And they're targeting the people around in Africa, South America, and India and Asia. And Asian means there are people are they do not know what is English. Can you get it? And in India, there is long list of spoken languages. Same in Africa, same in and South America. It's mostly Spanish. Okay, so then imagine how easy it is to exploit the people in Asian nation, India and Africa. It's easier. So imagine those land masses so huge, and that many users are using Facebook, and that many users are without any awareness abusing the Facebook without knowing what is Facebook. So I stepped in. I became a bridge between the Facebook and the population. And just with using only my cleanest love language, I was educating what is Facebook at the first place. Because civilians should know what is Facebook, how they are able to even use that Facebook, like how they switch on the switch and the lamp lights. They should know. Once when they know what labor they are providing in order to provide that software line of business product to be used for the civilians, then the civilians will know, oh, okay, then we cannot misuse it. It's the same thing like how people have to use the roadways, the railways in a healthy way. Like that I educated. It's the same thing. But imagine it's not a roadways or it's not a railways, but it is a messenger app where people can interact and build nations in clean love. That is all. And people can be reconnected, right? Laws, so many things. So it's only can be used for a healthy purposes. So I educated all these. So once when I started educated, that is how that Facebook identity was given, and people even forgot how they used to address the Facebook in a Q word. You will not see anybody accusing this Facebook with an F word, which it was used only with that word after all. Right? So can you all imagine how I only helped Facebook to be evolved, and still it's in evolving mode? Yes, when the Facebook was grilled by the, the scandalous justice services to be shut down, sealed to be shut down mode, I again stepped in and slapped on the government, USA government, just don't do it. Let Facebook be free. That is all the civil justice, period. Simple as that. And Cambridge Analytica, startup company, because they took away all the users' data without the consent of the users' data, and that is wrong. And they sold it to make business out of it. Even Facebook, Twitter, they all do it, and Google, Apple, Microsoft, they do it with or without awareness, maybe in an indirect way. That is wrong. That is why I want to classify all the crime in one by one, layer by layer mode. On hierarchy, Microsoft, Apple and Google. Right? Without those three, even Facebook cannot be available. Got it? Without Microsoft, without Apple, without Google, there is no Facebook, there is no Twitter. That is the truth. So that is why I have to educate from the start, even if it's taking a long time. The one session I started with what? Browsers, right? It is a plate. Got it? So you imagine Facebook is one food, and Twitter is one food, and Yahoo is one food, or AOL, American Online is one food, or ESPN or news channels. They all come into that plate. They want to be on that plate. Okay. Now imagine why the data is huge, out of control. One plate, let's say Microsoft browser is one plate, right? And they are having Facebook, Twitter, blah, 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 everything in that plate. Right? Don't imagine it is a buffet. Okay, I know you're laughing about that. It is like not buffet, but still on that. You go to the hotel, go to the restaurant, you order it, and then whatever you order it comes in the plate. right? Like that. So, Microsoft browser plate has Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, whatnot, right? Then the Google and Apple, they say, hey, Microsoft, you are the ruling king. Why can't we also be on your plate? Because that's how they do the contract, and they get helped each other in dollar revenue, everything. So Microsoft will not say, oh, no, 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 I don't want any Apple or Google like that. Because it's all coming down to the revenue, and how when people are working as one family, as a team, then they get more riches, right? So Microsoft is okay, who cares, come on, be in the plate. So you'll see Facebook, Google, Apple, and Twitter, Yahoo, right? And American Online and whatnot, all the news channels, everybody will be on that plate. So, okay, if there is only one Microsoft plate, then it is at least easier to track down the data and fix it. See, I'm just explaining why exactly it's out of control mode. Okay, then you all know there are Google fanatic population who will whose eyes will not even look at any other products. It will not even turn back at Microsoft. It will not even turn back at the Apple. It will only see Google. So that means then Google has its own way of ruling. It has its own talent. Being youngest of the among the software products, it has its own talent. See, I'm displaying that their unique talent as well. I'm displaying the talent of Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, and Microsoft on their different how talent they are, right? Because talent is talent, it's God given talent, nobody can steal the talent, is it true? So okay, now because Google is in the three browsing races, Google is the first one. It's already touched that winning race boundary. So these Apple and Microsoft still running in a lagging mode, right? Because they are in a little bit aged mode, lost that energy mode. Even though they are ruling the all the nations worldwide, they are in that the generation gap mode. So they want to keep up with the speed with the Google, who's running very fast. So Microsoft, okay, hey Google, why can't you even use this, all the medical Microsoft products? Google will never say no to that. Why? Because Google is youngest, even though it is talented in its own ways. Google knows Google became Google only because of Microsoft, not even because of Apple. That is the truth, my dear fellow mankind. Got it? When I was saying go down to the memory lane and just enjoy being aware how that Windows 95 it came to be Windows Edge, means it's a lot of memory lane there. So then Apple will never say no to Microsoft, because it's only because of Microsoft even Google is there. Otherwise, no Microsoft, no Google. I would put it that way. Not even, see, Apple is more of a specialty mode, because they wanted to design their line of product in a very unique way. And yes, they came up with an excellent design. I like the design part of it. But then the mistake I already explained. Then they realized their mistake, and that's how they reached out to the population. Anybody can use that Mac now. So that is their talent. Okay, so Google will say, okay, Microsoft, okay, we'll use all your products without saying anything, closing their eyes. Means they are alive only because of Microsoft. Everybody knows that. So that is how they team with Microsoft, and they have to provide a healthy contracting process. Okay. Now, what about the Apple? When Apple and Google, when Apple and Microsoft looks like sounds like rivalries, right? Because they have their own ego. Everybody has ego. Even if you're going to ask me, as I do have, but I would say it would be in healthy standards only. Okay, everybody has their ego. If you even the pet animals have their own ego, right? and toddlers, children, age, everybody have their ego, but I would classify the ego itself in healthy ways and unhealthy ways. So that means even, okay, then leaving behind the conflict of interest and the ego part, the Apple says, hey, Microsoft, come on and in my plate. That's okay. And then Microsoft, so that means if you're going to see in the patterns, without Microsoft, there is no Facebook. Without Microsoft, there is no Twitter on the micro level. On the higher level, without Microsoft, there is no Google. But without Microsoft, Apple was able to survive because they are all, the talents is so different. And how it all became a one family. I only provided that united to be as a team. That means I said, work as a team, my dear fellow mankind. That is what I provided, and that is how Microsoft, Apple, Google, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, they are all different line of products. So conflict of interest must be different, right? And their brains must be working different. Okay, yes, they are in a male club. I don't know, Yahoo was about to be sealed and shut down. There was that lady, right? And she was resigned. I don't know after that who is whether it's a men's club or a lady leader for the Yahoo part, but it's still surviving. Yahoo is still surviving here and there, getting that that fancy attachment here and there. So if you're going to go to Microsoft, Yahoo will be there, like a fancy jewelry like that. So I'm just explaining in a very lame and user-friendly way. So you all got it, how these contracting works, they have to get the contract signed and it will be for years together, and they will even say how long it can be renewed, whether it is yearly or whether it's a 5-year plan or 10-year plan. So you all got it that Microsoft is still the king and it's still ruling the software world. Got it? So because Microsoft Tools has its own products that are more user friendly, and that became like a normal day-to-day usage for population. So that is how they were able to reach out to the population. So got it. So then, yes, Microsoft is not boasting that they are not they are the ruling kings, because they know they will be there for until at least software world is existing. They know that Microsoft will be ruling. Okay, so that is why they are still calm, and that never bothered them that when they lost the buzz in the mobile industry, the cell phone industry. So still they get to, I am positive that they should be working on that end as well, right? So that's all about it. So Facebook, right? So tell me, if Facebook created for healthy relationships, healthy processing, and has its own healthy community standards, right there, why on the earth there is adverse software? Why there is pornography? Why there is adult content? Tell me. Can you all see how Facebook CEO and the Twitter CEO and Yahoo CEO all got slapped by I am that I am? And I'm just only one woman. If you're going to see all the track record, all the crime I'm displaying, all men's club only. So they are super, they can be super mad at me. And absolutely they can even call out cues or whatever it is. I say, pay the price. I never asked for Facebook. I never asked for any adverse software. Who on the earth is Facebook and Twitter and Yahoo or any other media to enforce adverse software when I never even asked for software? Sorry, I never asked for software. So, today in front of all nations, how many nations are there? 193 nations are there. Facebook is in 193 nations. And is providing up until this second only adverse software. That is a crime of Facebook. I would only seal and shut down Facebook and Twitter immediately within less than half second, and USA will be the happiest one to shut down Facebook and Twitter once and for all. Once and for all. But I am super empathy, and everybody knows, even Facebook knows that I am super empath. Because I know how many people are shedding their blood, not even aware what type of garbage is Facebook, and working for Facebook only. So when I'm saying software world is garbage, if I get to work on software world, I sure will work. I do not, because as a true civil doctor, I know how to handle all these foolish people. So one more time, if I told I've been working with Facebook, I would have said, I already conveyed Facebook design is super wrong. I slapped on the face of Facebook CEO and I said it's a garbage, the design is super wrong. And with whatever education I provided only, they realized their mistake and they started to, redesign their messenger application. And I already explained to you all how that thing came up to disable my account after all, when I was insane. That's a separate thing. Facebook can lost eligible to apologize to me. Right? It is because of me Facebook became richest. It is because of me Facebook became, got its true identity. It's because of me population who were name calling Facebook in accused words started to even forgot how it was called. And it was because of me Facebook expanded their business after all. Be it finance transactions, be it online education, whatnot. So when they took my wisdom, they took my labor, just like that they thrashed me. So God's name alone is glorified. Even at this point, I do not want to shut down Facebook. It should be that it should live free, being aware that why God is God always, all the time. Nobody can escape the justice process, my dear fellow mankind. No. Facebook might be only laughing that they got escaped from the USA government justice process. They never knew it is only because of me, my education only. So I will only for sure seal and shut down Facebook. Now tell me, if I seal and shut down Facebook, what happens to the public sectors? What happens to the private sectors? What happens to the Apple, Google, and Microsoft, who have by default Facebook in their line of business products? Tell me, can you all see how the crime is created in a spider web mode, where everybody is in helpless mode, cannot come out of that garbage mode? Even if Microsoft wants to think come out of Facebook, cannot. If Google wants to come out of this Facebook garbage, Google cannot. Apple wants to come out of this Facebook garbage, Apple cannot. Amazon wants to come out of this Facebook garbage, Amazon cannot. Amazon itself, it's a separate garbage. So can you see garbage 1, garbage 2, that means it all must go into the recycle bin, trash only. And they all provide sweetest talk. If you're going to see all these people, they talk only sweetest talk. And they are all men's club. And they say men are only caregivers. No. They create the law in a legalized way so that whatever is looking law for their eyesight, they are foolish. Men are innocent only. So they are foolish. See, less innocent, more foolish. More innocent, more wisest. That is the truth. So that means you all are witnessing how women are evil after all. Right? Can you all see? I am displaying how men are innocent and how women are evil after all, and side by side on a gender level also. So see how many women must have been working in Facebook. Right? How many? There will be some percentage of the women working for Facebook worldwide. Not even one woman stood up and said the design of Facebook is wrong. Why? They are again survival mode, my dear fellow mankind. Right? Everybody wants to be in the job, must get the paycheck. the monthly paycheck to feed their family, right? So, so that is, so yes, Facebook is handcuffed mode, Facebook is at fault mode, Facebook it's a classified domestic violence mode, and Facebook is breach of duty. Facebook says that it's created only for networking, people to get reconnected, build nations in love. But then it's breach of duty. Why? Because it's providing only filth, only garbage. It's a prostitution services after all. Right? So that is wrong. That is absolutely wrong. Then, now, there are so many products that comes under the family of Facebook. See, when in software world, when in banking and telecom, they go with the merging. So organization becomes processing becomes different. That's a trick. That's a strategy, because instead of bankruptcy filing, they can go for merger and they can save that company. And the rules and regulations will change after the merging. That is how a lot of mergings have been provided because of my education, because everybody knew that everybody will get into that screwed up mode in the final justice service provided by IAM. Because everybody identified that I, Vedapri, is the wisest one. Okay, can display the crime as its mode, raw truth mode, without any sugarcoating mode. Now, when you come into the software world, the line of business products, how they function is, instead of merging, they buy out. Right? So, for example, let's say if there are any product, software line of business product, they create an app which is very, people like it, right? So then these giants will say, okay, we do not like that, we are so jealous of you. Okay, because they will not say that we are jealous of you. I'm just providing in a very user-friendly way. So Microsoft or Apple or Google or Facebook or Twitter will say, we are very jealous of your skill set. Why can't we buy you? So they'll throw out luxury, they'll throw out the dollars and they'll buy it. Meaning they'll buy it means they'll own it. It comes under their umbrella. So that means they are taking away the unique talent of the other people because out of jealousy. That is crime. I said when there's a clean love, it will be always like in that mode. You grow, I grow, we all grow together. So that is the clean love. We all know Microsoft has its own talent, and Google has its own talent, Apple has its own talent, and Facebook has its talent, Twitter has its talent, Yahoo has its talent. Everybody has their own talent. So that means once the jealousy pops up, it's created, then that's when all the disaster comes in. So if you're going to see the Facebook, Facebook knew it's not a standalone giant like Apple or Microsoft or Google, right? So Facebook is only what? Messenger app in a bigger picture, that is all. In a screen. If whatever people are going to say hi, how are you, like that in how are you doing today, like that in a regular healthy conversation in a messenger, this Facebook provided in a big page, that is all. But people never knew it until I educated them. Now, because of that freaked out mode, people when they're getting freaked out mode, they will do all foolish things only. And this Facebook is very youngest of all the software sites, right? So that became a freaked out mode and fear mode, because lawsuit after lawsuit, right? And what if it gets shut down, sealed and shut down mode? So jealous mode one side. Right? When Facebook alone was in lawsuit mode because of all the scandal after scandal, there were other competitors who were proving their talent. So Facebook immediately what he did, Facebook went and purchased WhatsApp and Instagram, whatnot. There's a lot more, right? I don't know. See, even in Facebook, there are so many features. I don't know any of the features. other than only that posting feature alone? What's in your mind? That is all I've been using that Facebook tool for. So that means even when I'm using the Microsoft and Google or Apple, I know only whatever I'm using. All the other features, I'm still in the learning process. I don't know. They might have hidden a lot more features, which I have to learn. I'm saying upfront, I'm in the learning phase only. So probably, I don't know, even Microsoft would have done that only. When there are any a package like automated suit population came up with, the Microsoft would have said, okay, you are doing a good job, why can't we buy you? Right? Even Google would have done that, Apple would have done. So this is a very normal business transaction that can happen in the software world. Same as in bank, how they merge between bank, and how pharmaceuticals they merge, and telecom they merge. So these are all very common operations. Merging is a common operation because they want to prevent the company from bankrupt or shutting down. Now software world, they make it in a different processing. They just buy out. Okay, so when they are buying out, it's always based out of jealous only, right? Because when Apple is a giant, when there is a peer competitor who comes up with an excellent design, then there comes up a jealous, because Apple is already providing the products, costliest products, and the competitor is providing more features in a very affordable pricing and excellent design with here and there known errors, which cannot be compared to the Apple design means. Still on that edge, Apple is okay. That is how Apple is surviving. But then there'll come the jealous part, right? So that is why when the jealous comes, everything of a disaster created. Even among the household, even among the relationship, even among the workplace, even see, when I'm telling in the teamwork how they scapegoat, it all because of the jealous only. Jealous and fear of losing their jobs, only they will immediately work off workplace politics, and they will make sure how to scapegoat and just have that innocent person, to be out of that work. It happens it is the same thing that happens in the family politics also. That is a garbage. That's a trash after all. How many people have to deal with that family politics and live with it, digest that injustice? Right? So you can see it is an exponential. Even in the family reunion, people can see how garbage is the family politics and family feuds. Because it is all created out of jealous. There are always, when there are people well-wishers for the civilians, right? There is always people who do not love other people to live in a happy mode. Always it's there. So it is down to the household level politics, workplace level politics, national level politics. Imagine, are civilians humans dirt? Why people even have to deal with all these kind of politics when people do not like politics? I do not like politics. I already said I love to live happiest forever. Right? Just laugh out loudest. Just live free. Like that. But then when all these layer of crime, and crime is always injustice bombarded, then it is the wisest people who are sufferers in the hands of the foolish people. And they cannot even understand. So this Facebook CEO, being in an younger generation mode, or because this company itself is so young, right? That is how we can group that, okay, this company is so young, like that. So it displays his foolishness upfront. And there is an innocence one side. Men are always innocent. Women are double innocent. So that proves what? I am the only true woman in the whole entire planet Earth. Because I am just slapping left and right all the software world, and all the software world are men's club. They were thinking that they are providing a line of business products in a healthy way. No, they're not. They provided only garbage according to their will and pleasure. And they're fooling people that they have their own community standards. What kind of a community standards? Then it all traces to Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinch only. When there is a pornography and a Las Vegas Sin City, how on the earth Facebook can even boast that it's providing healthy services? How many people would have provided pornography services in Facebook alone? Tell me. Can you all see how Facebook cannot answer my question, and Facebook will see or will say, okay, let the Facebook be shut down? It's a garbage. But then when it's going to shut down, it's going to hit on every single software product, you name it. Everything will get hit and everything will go freeze, crash dot mode, shutdown mode. So now tell me, what is Department of Children and Families going to say when Facebook is a prostitution? Because in their web page, they will be having Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Apple, Microsoft, Google. All are prostitution. And Department of Children and Family says, oh no, we are the holy God, we are the Republicans, we are the very traditional ways. We are providing only welfare only for families. And what garbage are they doing? Beyond the crime of their each and every single software line code is wrong, can you all see, I'm displaying the crime in a raw mode. Department Children Families already involved, shutdown mode after all, for the crime they are providing. So then what happens? It directly traces to what? It's 1 hour and 16 minutes, but it's okay. Then it directly traces to what? Department of Health Services. They are the ones who signs Facebook is healthiest and Twitter is healthiest. Now tell me, what is Dr. Fauci, Dr. Brinks going to do? Or what will President Joe Biden going to do? Tell me. Facebook is prostitution. What is President Joe Biden going to do about that? For how long he has been in the lawmaking process? So by this, I'm displaying how President Trump is innocent and why President Joe Biden is never an innocent. He's a hell creator after all. He's another face of Pope Francis after all. So I have to provide this overview of why exactly Facebook is prostitution means. It's just the way it is. It's just the way it is. Facebook steals all the users' information and sells it out for business revenue. See, when people are in the business, they will see only dollars. They will not have any human emotions, sentiments like that. They will say, that is why there is a saying, when you want to get into any business, be like a businessman. Be like a businessman. Otherwise, do not be in business. That is what is a common saying. Because when it is business, they will not care about the relationship. They will not value the human relationship. They will treat humans as trash. Now tell me, who is at fault? Is it Facebook at fault? Or is it Microsoft at fault? Who is the oldest of all the software world? I think it is oldest than Apple. Maybe here and there, few months difference maybe, right? And is it Apple's at fault? Is Twitter at fault? Is software coders who shed their blood and wrote all the software code for this garbage Facebook and media are at fault? Who is at fault? Is it you at fault? Did you ask for Facebook? Is it me at fault? Did I ask for media or Facebook? No. I never asked for media. I never asked for Facebook. I never asked for Twitter. Okay, then why even they to bother to provide adverse software in the first place? Why? Who gave that authority? It all traces to Pope Francis. Got it? So I am educating the population one side, I am educating the government, I am slapping the government left and right. You all must have seen how frustrated I am with the United States of America nation, how they destroyed the human emotions on any level, 360 degrees level. Facebook is still working on the task I am provided. I provided only. So in that way, on that end, all the software world and I are in the same page. Facebook fears me only, nobody else. Even when was grilled by the government of USA, this Facebook must have been only laughing out loudest. I am absolutely positive on that. But then the same Facebook fears me only because knows that once when I sign up the job offer, I will ask the status report from Facebook. What changes, redesign it provided. And I don't know where the Facebook will have its face. Right? So, this is an overall of, you all must know, so how Facebook became richest? Only because of me. Only because of me. I provided the evolution how the media should be used in a healthy way. I created healthy jobs. Because of that, Google provided healthy jobs worldwide. Microsoft provided healthy jobs worldwide. Even Facebook provided healthy jobs worldwide. What is the proof? For posting healthy content alone, people can earn money. Facebook came up with that because of my education. Google came up with that. That is how YouTube of Google is still surviving. I provided I displayed the errors, and I also provided the solution on how to fix those errors. And I also gave solution also. Do this way, do it this way, do it healthy way, create more jobs, help people around worldwide to improve their economy status. Microsoft, they know what they are good at. So they came up with online education services. Get online educated with all the Microsoft products, get certified, get into the workforce. Means they provided their way of healthy processing. I don't know what changes Apple was doing. It was focusing on its products, that much I'm sure. But these are all the accomplishments I provided. Twitter never, I don't know what Twitter does it, but I know it's the same product of Facebook, it's a different brand. But they are all in a hand in hand in their business operations. So when Facebook, Twitter fixes their design error, all the applications, their competitors also will fix their own errors. So Facebook knows I, Vedapriya, can seal and shut down Facebook. And Facebook also knows that I am the only one who is having the highest level of empathy. And Facebook also knows that I am the only supreme civil judge who can provide excellent civil justice. When Facebook providing adverse software is allowed to live free, that is the civil justice for Facebook. It should be a do-it-yourself, clean up all the mess, do-it-yourself, get yourself healed from abuse means that is the civil justice for Facebook I provide. I do not want Facebook to be on the jail, no. Or I do not want Twitter to be on the jail, no. That is not civil justice. I will provide the discipline having cane in my hand. That is all for discipline. That is all for discipline because I do not like fools. So side by side I'm displaying how women in the software world are super evil. They never bothered to step in and provided healthy guidance, right? Men are only innocent. So when men are innocent, they needed that healthy guidance to be provided by women after all. So for that, women should be always true women. Cleanest hearted women. Right? Double innocent women I'm talking about. That is why a true woman is super privileged in out of all the creations, because a true woman only can even display the innocence of animals to the population. Can you see more innocent and more wisest? Until I educated animals are innocent, people never even knew animals are innocent. Until I educated plants are innocent, people never even knew plants are innocent. Until I educated robots and non-living things are innocent, people never knew robots and non-living things are innocent. I educated a nuclear bomb is innocent. I educated National Rifle Association providing gunpowder and the rifles are innocent. Until then, people never knew, oh my gosh, rifles are innocent? They never knew. Their brain were not working correctly. They were thinking people are taking the rifle and shooting the fellow mankind. Oh no, like that. But on the micro level, they never even knew that the bomb, the nuclear weapon, the war equipments, all are innocent. I have to step in and educate that also. Can you see how on a very basic level only I was educating, and people all realized, oh my gosh, how on the earth we educated humans missed out on that healthy vices, and how this vices lady, Vedapriya, educating everything in a easiest way, layman way, simplest way. If only people knew all this awareness, got educated in a rightful way, directed in the rightful way, all the population would have walked only in the wisdom ways. Even Facebook would have designed its tool in a healthy way only. Right? Because of the eyes are blinded, that's how they created the garbage tool. It is only a messenger tool, that is all. And he became richest out of that messenger tool alone. And the Facebook founder became freaked out mode, panic mode, because one side losing the dollars because of the lawsuit. We all know once when lawsuit hits how dollars will be wasted. People will be in a poverty mode. And businessmen do not like that word. Lawsuit. The lawsuit is a word that business people do not like it. Right? And lawsuit after lawsuit. Then jealousy because the competitors are coming up with their own talents, their super talent. Even WhatsApp, they came up with that messaging app of deleting, right? Deleting messaging like that. It's all because of my education only. Even WhatsApp was in a very starting mode, right? They are also the very youngest company only. But then they all took my wisdom and they immediately came up with their talent, and people became jealous of those talent. That is why jealous is a root cause for all hell after all. Be it in household, be it in friendship, be it in relationship, be it in workplace. The jealous, it tears down people in pieces. So, Facebook never thought in 2020-21, I, Vedapriya, will provide civil justice for Facebook my way. Right? When Facebook never bothered about the human feelings, whether human got destroyed, whether human's relationship got destroyed or not, whether humans self-inflicted and died because of the adverse software provided by Facebook or not, today I will ask Facebook to pay me tax-free $500,000 billion direct deposit into my bank. That is all for civil justice. You live free. I never asked for Facebook. I never asked for adverse software. If my peers love for adverse software, it is their choice. It's not my problem. Right? If Facebook wants to provide adverse software and create hell for fellow mankind, it is a Facebook choice. It's not my choice. I never even asked for Facebook. Right? So, the overview alone took 1 hour 28 minutes. So the next 10-15 minutes I will rush through the write-up for the civil justice. For I, Vedapriya, a prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis' Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account. To I am that I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So scandal faces of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica prostitution, Facebook nations, never educated USA Republica government can never enforce poverty and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate. Why? Where the Priya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and it is fatal negligence of Republica prostitution, Facebook nations to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say no who is Republica prostitution, Facebook nations, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica software programming languages, that is Facebook nations. Okay, or so what is the crime? The crime is the crime is the Republica Facebook nations created robocall poverty mandate, and it is deadliest crime. It comes under the adverse software services. Facebook, when it says all it's having all community standards met, it should have at least stepped it, because Facebook works side by side with FBI. Facebook works side by side with the CIA. Yes, Facebook works side by side with the national intelligence teams. Right? And it works side by side with federal government, side by side with state government. So that means Facebook got all the fundings only from federal government and the state government. So at least the Facebook nations must have stood up and slapped on the government of USA and said there should not be any robocall poverty mandate, and that is a crime. Right? So I'm proving how people are getting fundings from government only, backstabbing government at their back. So Facebook proved that Facebook is not a leader. It's never a leader. He's a I would say, out of jealous, he can take on all this, the other talent and extract the talent from them, and then treat them as a crap. So this is a normal operation of a Republicans. They will extract the labor from the wisest people and they will trash that wisest people. It is a pattern of abuse. And Facebook proved that, right? Facebook exactly proved that. Facebook became riches only because of me. Facebook got evolved only because of me. Facebook got saved and is alive only because of me, because of that Cambridge Analytica, the Russian whatever that scandal was. I educated who was the root cause. Queen Elizabeth is the root cause and Pope Francis is the root cause, and that is how Cambridge Analytica got shut down. That is why Facebook is alive today. And yes, today I can even seal and shut down Facebook just like that in the next 1 second. Everybody will say, go shut down Facebook only. But when everybody is saying shut down, my civil justice is different. Everybody knows how empathy I am. Everybody knows that. People who worked with me side by side on the Poverty Free Earth, end of the year, 2030 volunteer project, everybody count by count, all the strangers worldwide knows how empath I am. So what is a crime? They forgot to educate. USA cannot provide robocall poverty. Why? Because they themselves want to make money, revenue out of that robocall poverty. That is wrong. The Facebook proving how a businessman function in a live example way. This is how a businessman will function. And that's a direct display of President Trump. So, is President Trump at fault or is Facebook at fault? You tell me. Who is at fault? I know it is all what you're thinking. Maybe here and there might be difference. Facebook is at fault. President Trump is innocent. Got it? Because the leaders, the national leaders, the government, the population, the Senate, they never knew what is Facebook. They just got in the Facebook only because of my education only. Wisdom education. be it Senate or GOP or whoever, they got into the Facebook only because of my education, my dear fellow mankind, because I was working on the Medicaid, Medicare design process, right? So I was just providing all the step by step processing, and that's how people were coming, gathering on that Facebook facility, I would say. But they never knew that Facebook is a garbage. Without any awareness, it is Facebook backstabbed the USA government after all, right? A little bit, a small action shows what a person is, right? So Facebook never stepped up into the USA government when working with federal government, when working with the state government, when working with FBI, National Security Intelligence behind the scenes, the security team. They never bothered to step in and educate. USA cannot provide robocall poverty. That's the very least education, right? But what I am providing at the cost of being hated, right? At the cost of being hated by Apple, Google, all the software world, you name it. And if I get to work for their software world, I sure will work. For me, I know the innocence of the software world as a civil doctor. I already conveyed that. Only thing is I will display the error and they will not, they should be in a position to accept it. And I'll be only laid off for that. I already conveyed. Right? The design is very crucial for any business operation. It's a foundation, right? It's a foundation. So when Facebook design on the foundation level is so much of errors, what if all the healthy solutions which I was providing is built out of that Facebook foundation? Everything will crumble into pieces. So Facebook has to fix all the errors after all. That will take already 1 year went in that COVID-19 scandal. So I will give one year more or 2 more years for them to fix it. Because I know the labor that needs to be provided. It's not easy. Out of control. The data is so huge. Out of control. The one thing they can do is they can go immediately, Facebook can go immediately to the data centers, find all the database allocated for each and every single nation, just shut it down. Clean it. Means it will become a clean database. Then at least they can work. But I don't know that how much it will be impacted very badly worldwide. Every public sectors, private sectors will crash if they are going to do that. So everybody became helpless mode here. Apple cannot help Facebook. Facebook can beg, Apple, please help me. No, Apple cannot help Facebook. Because Apple product is only using Facebook as a switch, that's all. The Apple will not even bother about the Facebook. It can even immediately remove that switch of Facebook from its products. That's all it can do. So simple for Apple to get rid of Facebook or Twitter. I already educated how the design should be, right? Design should be always simplest. With that, so that is why when I provide that, use that switch mode, it became easiest, right? If they are going to see any of this adverse whatever, Microsoft can do is remove those switches. Switch 1 for Facebook, switch 2 for Sony, switch 2 for Samsung, switch 3 for means all the switches when they are going to get eliminated, boom, they will be in a better position after all. Be it Google, Microsoft, Apple, they are in a better position. All they have to do is just get rid of all the switches which they don't want. But Facebook is in the beggar mode. Beggars cannot be choosers mode. Beggar, it's like that. Facebook have to go and beg Apple, Microsoft. Begging means I'm talking the reality, right? Because Facebook crime is so skyrocketing. So Facebook has to convey, hey, give me some time. Facebook will fix all the errors. Means then when they are having that switch, means that makes sense. Otherwise they are going to get in the hot seat. Apple, Google or Microsoft. Now, when all these are garbage, tell me how the public sectors will be impacted, because their page have Facebook, YouTube, everything. Name it, just Department of Justice to Department of Agriculture to Department. That is why I am providing the Vice Civil Justice. I am asking Facebook, pay me $500,000 billion. Please direct deposit to me on my bank account. Don't talk to me. I do not want to talk to all these foolish people. It is USA must pay me $1 billion for provided Facebook foolish garbage too. I never asked for Facebook. Who is USA to create havoc to me? Right? Who is Facebook to create damages to me? Who gave that authority? If Facebook loves to create damages and enjoy the sufferings of fellow mankind, first I will say go do the same thing for your family. They will not do their family members. It's the same like dentists and doctors who will not eat the jawbreaker candy, hard candy, but still they will have it in the grocery for the civilians to have their dental work done. That's how they can get paid. Can you see how cunning the doctors are? And it's the same way how Facebook is also cunning after all. Right? Don't you all think I am the one who can discipline Facebook the rightful way? And Apple, Google and Microsoft must be laughing out loudest today when, if at all they get to listen to my live testimony of the civil justice providing for Facebook, they three must be the one who are laughing out loudest. Because when the crime is there, people cannot talk out loud, they cannot, it's like filter out and talk mode, survival mode, right? People have to live and die with that injustice mode, being helpless mode. Oh, will there be anybody who could stand up and talk like that mode? Can God send some angel to help this out? That is how Microsoft and Apple and Google are there, mode, that mode only. Because they cannot say it out loud that Facebook and Twitter is garbage. Right? And Facebook cannot say Apple, Microsoft, Google is garbage. Versus I only have all the eligibility to say everything is garbage. Because I never asked for any of the software line of products. If they would have provided those, then there should never be any adverse software. I provided with a proof. And what of process were they following? They say they are following Six Sigma processing, this process, that process, agile process, whatnot. They are all fancy, right? But nothing helped. Nothing helped to prevent the pornography. Nothing helped to prevent the robocall. Nothing helped to prevent the destruction of humanity. Nothing helped to prevent humans being tortured with injustice daily. Then does nation need Facebook? Means absolutely Apple, Google, Microsoft must be laughing out loudest, because everybody were freaked out. They never knew how to handle the Facebook. It became like a transformer, I've never seen that movie, but I've seen the trailer, how that everything, that transformer becomes like a giant, like that Facebook became. Out of cunning, jealous. That is wrong. So, my civil justice will help the Facebook to be disciplined in the rightful way. I already said, I do not like fools, and the fools will become wisest by running just side by side with me. That is all is needed. I will not even go back at Facebook and say, hey, Facebook, you were foolish garbage, how are you now? Are you doing okay? Did you choose the wise path which I provided? No. That is not my job. I provided the guidance, I provided the education, I provided all the solutions. I even provided how they can expand their services for healthy services. And they provided injustice to me, that is a separate thing. But this one is, they never bother to educate USA to never provide robocall poverty mandate. That is crime. They are getting fundings from federal government for their services, and they never bother to educate federal government that the federal government of USA cannot provide robocall, that is comes under the domestic violence, fatal negligence. So, I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own this text for ongoing civil justice sign-off, USA prostitution, Facebook nations, with fatal negligence, failed to educate, USA cannot create robocall mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader, Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly, and finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021. Finance disabled to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly, it is crime for Republica prostitution Facebook nations when ruling USA never educated. USA should never provide enforced poverty to Vedapriya Prose. So civil justice is I, Vedapriya Prose, want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,210.38 and sign off tax-free $4,500, and Republica prostitution Facebook nations must sign off tax-free $500,000 billion to be direct deposited in my bank account for all types of damages done by software world and selfish cunning, Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species and hell creators, and direct deposit to my bank account, and at fault and found guilty. Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republica government of USA will provide the needful. And for I displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, want USA government to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu after my name as Vedapriya Civil Justice Served. I, Vedapriya, to become the Vatican leader is civil justice served. Then Pope Francis should resign now is civil justice served. President Joe Biden should resign now is civil justice served. Then I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations is civil justice served. Then I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, DCF, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military nations across the globe is civil justice served. I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India and must get the dual citizenship in USA in India is civil justice served. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, even this went so long, this session went so long. Be patient because I have to explain the crime of Facebook and how there is innocence on one side and how every single software world made to look at fault mode because of the crime of Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis only on the behind the scenes. Right? And I also want to add on what more crime Facebook provided in their porous design. They created GoFundMe page, right? It is a sophisticated begging service provider, right? People have to go beg for the money. That is absolute crime. Who is Facebook to even enforce civilians to become beggars? That is wrong, isn't it? Can you all see how the Facebook CEO is a cunning display that how by begging in a sophisticated way he created brain damages to the fellow mankind. People were thinking, oh, GoFund page me means, oh, how nice it is to beg. That is wrong. Civilians should, what I was educating on and every single day. A civilian should never ever write it on your scalp. Never ever should beg for basic essentials from any of the civilians, period. And that is the deadliest crime that Facebook provided. I don't know who guided that Facebook CEO to even provide that line of business product. That is wrong. $1 trillion worth of crime it is. Right? And is becoming rich out of that GoFundMe deadliest crime alone. Oh, there is no other crime to enforce a civilian to go beg for the basic essentials. Who is Facebook? Who is Facebook to enforce civilians to go beg for the basic needs? Who is Facebook? That's wrong. Deadliest crime it is. And I already said Apple, Google, and Microsoft are laughing out loud as means they know. This way, the Priya Voices lady will take down Facebook, meaning nail down the crime of Facebook in a raw truth and display it to the whole wide world. For how long people have been enforced to beg in a sophisticated way using the GoFundMe page with that Facebook tool alone? That is wrong. Absolutely wrong. Crime it is. There is no other crime to enforce people to beg for basic essentials. Can you all see? Can you all see how Revelation 18 chapter in the Holy Bible is happening right now? If I'm going to take down this Facebook, Apple will be gone, Microsoft will be gone, Google will be gone forever. Department of Children Family will be gone forever. Department of Health Services will be gone. Everybody will be gone. Everybody's page has Facebook icon in that. And I know how the software creates error if they want to remove it. It's a lot of labor, too much of headache. They say, right, pain in the whatever you call it, like that. People became helpless mode. I was educating in the rightful way, but Facebook design is everything scam. It is deadliest crime. Absolutely crime. GoFundMe page is $1 trillion crime. What is Facebook? Or what is President Joe Biden, who must be in Facebook one way or the other, is going to say? You tell me, you all keep your God-given hands on your heart and say what is going to happen. Don't you all think President Joe Biden should resign immediately? And Facebook should live free? And Facebook should pay me tax-free $500,000 billion direct deposit to my bank account? That way I can step in, I can slap on the Facebook and I can redesign whatever wrong they provided in their line of business product. I was only educating wisdom, so Facebook cannot say anything. Even people never knew what is Q's word. Do you all know how much pathetic state each nations are? I stepped in as a civil doctor, as a true friend, regardless of being hated mode, mocked mode, bullied mode. I educated one by one Q's word, what it is, the meaning of it, how innocent animals got abused because of selfish humans wanted to use that Q's word to address the humans, which is again scandal and a scandal. And finally, I only educated, it is men who are got slaughtered and butchered, because when men are going to accuse the women, it is calling themselves in a Q's word, because womb of a man is only women. So I educated everything in a rightful way. Until I educated, people never even knew what is Q's words, and without knowing only, for fashion show only, they were using Q's words, F words, whatnot. One by one Q's word I was educating at the cost of being mocked, because people do not like to talk about the Q's words, right? Because it's so raw, the raw truth, right? People always like the sugar coating, always like to provide that illusion. But I was talking only the raw truth as is mode in a public mental health services guidelines alone. Nothing more, nothing less. After my education only population came to know what is Q's words. They felt too much of shame of how innocent animals became abused in the scandal of usage of curse words. And then it all traced to whom? Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis only created that. All the curse words. So I already, long time back, I handcuffed Oxford University. When people are worshipping Oxford University as God, I was the only first one to handcuff Oxford University. People got the shock. They knew that that moment that I am God's an angel to save all the humankind. Okay, so yes, it is close to 2 hours and I am so done with this civil justice sign off. And yes, Facebook is a garbage, Facebook is prostitution, and yes, God made me to use that garbage tool, to use that prostitution tool, Facebook tool only, through that garbage media only, through that entertainment prostitution media only, I provided wisdom education to reach out to the population, and that alone, through that alone, God's name alone is glorified, because God can use any tool to reach out to the population. I never knew when I was working in the Facebook, I never knew down the road there will be COVID-19 scam. I never knew 2021 I will be the one who stand up and provide the civil justice for all nations. It's happening. Whatever predicted in the Holy Bible is happening. So it is, they are witnessing. That means Facebook with their own eyes will watch how Queen Elizabeth II is dropped in the volcano, how Pope Francis will be dropped in the volcano. They will shiver. Oh my gosh, the true God of Christianity is indeed true God. It's happening. Whatever is happening is happening. And yes, my dear fellow mine, can you still keep working on, break your heads, keep working on who am I? Am I a man? Am I a woman? Or am I transgender? Or who am I? Okay. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.